Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies very well before going fully into it. Okay, make sure you practice very well and perfect it before you go fully into it on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way other people have been doing. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with boom 1000, and of course we are on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk card trading indicator. This actually started an uptrend from here, got to this resistance, it was unable to go above it, so it pulled back, and of course it has gotten to this support zone again and was unable to break out below it, so it started buying again. And of course guys, it has also got into this resistance zone again, and if it's unable to break out above it, remember it has gotten there 2 times already, 1, 2, and this is the 3rd time. We are most likely to have a sell order right from there. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should be expecting a sell order from there, that is if it does not break out above that resistance zone. But if it breaks out above it, then we will keep on buying. Okay, so guys, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. The market actually got to this support zone after selling for a very long time with this ranging period around there, but later on it kept on going back on uptrend because it's unable to break out below this support zone, and it's approaching this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. This might not be for a very long time, okay, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back on sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000, and we're going to check it out right away. So guys, this is going to be crash 1000. Sorry about that, this is crash 1000. Okay, this will work. Okay, this is crash 1000, and of course this was on downtrend before but got to this support zone and started a buy trend, and it has been buying since then. And of course once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is crash 500, and of course this was on uptrend before, but right from this resistance zone it started selling, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. This had been on a very strong uptrend, breaking out from most of the resistance zone, even though it has gotten to another resistance zone, and it's trying to go back on downtrend. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it's going to sell more, but this market is ranging around there at the moment. Once it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity, most especially if it does not break out above the resistance zone. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading, who are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.